Okay, Alex Kreider again, 520 South or 520 Galena in Frisco. This is the area we looked at previously. We've been through this several times with a couple of tools trying to clean this off, and definitely we've improved it, but it's a long way from 100%. We've pushed in from the far east end of the building all the way down here just to get an idea of how much of this pipe is affected by this. We're going to pull back from here and show everything else. Again, this is an area we've been through and done about what we can do to without a whole lot of effort, to the point that I think removing any more of this is a better approach by just replacing the pipe. Okay, this is that spliced in section of ABS. And to the right side of the pipe, which is the top of the screen, that's where we entered with the camera before. So you'll see we still have these fins continuing pretty much the whole length of this. To a greater or lesser degree, not quite as bad in here, but still evident. More built up in here. Now this looks like just grease buildup, but I believe what this is a little layer of grease and debris on top of more of that cast iron scale. And it's much more evident on the left side of the pipe than the right. And you can see throughout here we're holding just a little bit of water. I think that's contributing to it. There's a pretty majorly barnacled up spot. This doesn't look too bad pretty much from here on back. A little now we're getting a little worse again. Not to the degree it's been done to the other pipe though. 4-inch main and into a 3-inch serving the extreme east end of the building that we entered through. So really that's all there is to see. We'll pull back. This looks good. For reference, this is what it should look like. This is the access way by which we entered the system at the east end of the building. So we're going to take a little break and figure out if we can do anything better to this to get that stuff out of there. Really, I think the most cost-effective thing might be just to replace all this, because it's going to take on the order of the same amount of work to clean this junk out of it. And the pipe is poorly graded anyway, which is what I think contributed to making this problem in the first place.